India's Chief of Defence Staff and former Army Chief General Bipin Rawat has died in a helicopter crash in the country's southern state of Tamil Nadu today. He, along with his wife, 9 army personnel, including 2 senior officers of the ranks of brigadier and lieutenant colonel, and 5 Indian Air Force officials, was on a visit to Defence Service Staff College, Wellington, Nilgiri Hills, to address the faculty and student officers of the staff course. Indian government as well as army has confirmed the death of 3 passengers on the board, including General Rawat. Group Captain Varun Singh, SC Directing Staff at DSSC with severe injuries, was under treatment at a local military hospital when the last reports came in. General Rawat was known to be having ideological alignment with Narendra Modi and extremist Hindutva Brigade, for which Modi government created extra constitutional post of the Chief of Defence Staff for him just after retiring from the army. The killing of Kashmiris increased manifold during his tenure of Army Chief, as he used to issue threats to Kashmiris for resisting against the tyranny of his forces. Meanwhile, in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 3 more Kashmiri youth in Shopian district today. The youth were martyred during a coordinated search operation in Chaki-Cholan area of the district. The troops also destroyed a residential house by using heavy weapons and chemical substance. To prevent people from protesting against fresh killing, the occupation authorities suspended internet service and sealed all entry and exit points of the area. Even media persons were not allowed to conduct coverage of the military operation. It is worth mentioning here that Indian troops have martyred 484 Kashmiris, including a dozen women, since August 5, 2019. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, most of the victims were killed by the troops in FAC encounters and custody. The report deplored that the Kashmiri youth are picked up from their homes and then eliminated after falsely labeled as Mujahideen or overground workers of Mujahideen organizations. On the other hand, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, urged the international community to play a role in settling the Kashmir dispute to save South Asia from an impending nuclear catastrophe. Hurriyat leaders Hilal Ahmed War, Mohammad Yusuf Naqash and Abdul Samad Inqalabi, in their statements, deplored the silence of the world community on the step of Indian state terrorism in the occupied territory. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, while referring to the arrest of 3 Kashmiri students in the Indian city of Agra, said, "Gandhi's India has turned into Godse's India." The students were arrested for cheering Pakistan cricket team's victory against India in a T20 World Cup match in UAE in October this year. Nathuram Godse was a member of extremist Hindu organization RSS, who assassinated founder of India Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah, addressing a party meeting in Jammu, said the Kashmiri people were resolute enough and steadfast in their resolve to stand for their rights.